Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a productive morning routine, and I figured I would shoot it vlog style just to keep it really casual and easy, but also more realistic. So I wanted to start off by saying, shamefully, it is 11:51 a.m., meaning it's not really morning, and I don't really know why I slept in that late. Like, I really did honestly just wake up. You know those days when it just like, it's so cozy and you just keep hitting snooze? That's kind of what's happened to me. And normally I would be like, oh, it's noon, and that was not productive at all. I can't film this video, like, it's not real. But I remember watching one of Ingrid Nielsen's recent videos about working from home, and she basically said how when you work from home, it really doesn't matter if you start in the morning or if you start in the evening, like whatever your schedule is, it doesn't mean you're less productive if you don't wake up in the morning. Our whole world is just, you know, the early bird gets the worm, and so anyone that wakes up early is considered more productive, which, yes, obviously if you want daylight, which I probably should be more considerate about, then waking up in the morning would make more sense. But if I'm more productive in the afternoon, evening, which I actually kind of am, especially going into like winter and stuff, or like fall winter, that's definitely like more my vibe. I shouldn't like be mad at myself if I slept in, if my body needed it. Maybe I'm fighting off a cold, who knows? Maybe I am being lazy, probably am. But you know what I mean? Like, I feel like everyone just thinks that because you don't wake up early doesn't mean you can't be productive. And this goes with anything, is whatever happens, you can always start the next minute to make something different. So if you had a bad meal, you don't need to start eating healthy the next day. You can start with the next meal, if that makes sense. So instead of being like, oh, this day's ruined, like, better not be productive, you know, I will be right there. I can start now and be productive in my own ability, and honestly I can probably get everything that I wanted done starting now and going until like 7 or 8, if that makes sense. So hopefully that helps you guys. I don't know how many of you actually work from home. Most of you are probably students. If you haven't already seen Ingrid's video that I'm chatting about, I will have a link down below so you guys can go watch it if you're interested. I'm gonna sit here and just like browse through my emails, get them done real quick while I drink this cold glass of water. Sometimes I'll add lemon, but I was too lazy this morning. And then I'm just going to actually go get myself ready, because I feel like when I have a very productive morning, it means that I'm getting myself ready right away and doing my makeup and my hair, which I probably won't do a whole lot to. But when I get ready right away in the morning, it does really help me like get focused and like get on track of what I need to do that day. So I'm gonna do that first thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm having a little bit of a breakout situation here. Last night I did a lot of things to it. I did like a chemical peel, and then I did a like detoxifying type of pore unclogging mask, and then I finished off with a hydrating sheet mask. And so I also used like the Neutrogena light stick thing that I have for it, so I'm just like trying to clear it up. Luckily it's not as like bumpy as it once was. I feel like that one's new. But they've gone down quite a bit, so they're easy to cover. But I don't know why I keep breaking out on my cheeks. It's honestly just like here and here, which is like so bizarre, and I've never had that happen. Most of the time when I do break out, it's like on my chin, which this part's normal. So yeah, I'm not really sure about that, so I'm trying to clear that up. Of course, when I was just starting my makeup, my camera battery died, so I went and charged it, did most of my makeup. But I wanted to mention this foundation that I've really been loving lately. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Cushion Foundation. I love the original Double Wear, and then I love the Double Wear Water one. All of them are really good, and their shade matches are so good. This isn't sponsored or anything. I did an ad campaign with them on Instagram, but I've really been liking this, and you know when you're gonna be done. Sorry. Snakes, come here. He's starting to meow more, which is so cute. We googled, and his like breed of cat is known to be very chatty, so we're starting to hear his meow come out a little bit more, which is very cute. Noodle meows all the time, but Now we're starting to hear snacks, so it's kind of cute. Anyway, so this is a great foundation. I really like it for like more natural days. It still gives you like a nice luminosity, and the feeling of the foundation is really nice, and I just like how convenient it is. It comes in like a little twist up cushion thing, so if you want to use a cushion to apply it, then just like blend it out with your fingers, makes it super easy. And then I received this at an event yesterday. I went to a Dior event, which it was my first time going to a Dior event. I felt very fancy. Also, this blush is from their holiday collection. This is their Rouge Blush Midnight Wish in 100 0001. I don't know, but it comes in this like silk little bag, which is like so fancy. Yeah, it doesn't have a name. Midnight Wish. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's it. Anyway, look at how stunning this is. So they say it's a blush, even though it probably is going to be more of a highlight, but it is kind of like a darker tone highlight. So we'll see, but I just love how the stars are like pressed into the powder. I don't know, it's just so beautiful, and so I was like, I need to try that today. It's very gold, actually. I think I need a base. I think this is like a blush topper, so I'm going to go in with my regular one. I definitely think it's more of a highlight, but I could like apply it just as a highlight, but it kind of works as like an all over shine. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that's beautiful. Yes, it gives you like a really nice, like healthy looking glow. That's so pretty. All right, so the makeup is done. I was totally planning on like setting the camera up and then doing like a time lapse of me getting ready as I typically would, but since my camera battery died, I wasn't able really to do that. So if you want to check out my everyday makeup look that I've been doing a lot lately, or like something similar, go check out my Get Ready With Me that I recently posted. It's like a fall Get Ready With Me. That basically shows you everything. The only thing different I did today was try out that new blush and add eyeliner. So there you have it. I'm gonna go make some coffee now. Would you look at that foam? Doesn't this coffee look absolutely perfect? Snakes in the background. Anyway, I decorated or redecorated our coffee table a little bit more for fall. I brought up some items, so I wanted to just kind of share that with you guys. I'm really bad at decorating coffee tables, I have learned, but overall I think it kind of works, at least for now. So this little dish I think I got at Michael's. Pumpkins are from the market. Coasters are from HomeSense, but they match the Target candle really nicely, which we have started burning and I really like it. And then just like picture real flowers there. I put the vase there just to imagine it. And then underneath is the newspaper that I'm actually in with Estee Lauder, talking about self-confidence and their double wear foundation. So if you guys missed that, I posted it on my Instagram. But yeah, so I just put that underneath just to kind of give it some texture, but I think it turned out pretty good. And then I kind of wanted to decorate our little TV stand here. We don't really have that much room to do seasonal decor, but I think this works and this is definitely enough for me. So we have some fall foliage with another little pumpkin. This candle is also from Target, and then I got this one from the Benefit Lunch. It's from Vancouver Candle Co, and I love it. It's so beautiful. So I just have that there with a little wood piece underneath. And then this copper pumpkin I got at like a HomeSense Home Goods. It's a jar, so it opens, you can put stuff in it, but I just really like it, and I think that kind of works. It adds a little touch of fall, but not too much, you know? And I'm really excited because last night, which is kind of funny, I ordered us a new TV stand or media unit to go here, and I'm very excited. I don't know if I've ever told you guys or have ever mentioned it, but I don't really like this. I feel like all of our furniture and our like whole vibe is like white and bright, and at least not black. So I'm excited to get rid of this glass unit. Also, it shows cat hair so horribly, so I'm constantly Swiffering it like with the Swiffer duster. So I'm really excited to have something a little bit more light colored. I ordered it from Wayfair, so I will show you guys like on my Instagram or something when it comes, or in a video or something. Really hope it fits, really hope it looks good. It was like half off, so like I'm a little worried, but the reviews were really good, so I'm really excited for that to come. And it's just one of those pieces that I've been like putting off, but it was 50% off, so I'm like, yeah, let's do it, let's get it. So I'm really excited. Should be here in about a week and a bit, and then we'll have to assemble it, but I'm just so excited. I think it'll fit our TV a lot nicer and just like go with the vibe a lot better. And yeah, I'm really happy about that we finally bought that. Here's a quick look at my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing a bodysuit that is from Forever 21, something super light and casual because I hate wearing like heavy sweaters when it's warm in the apartment because it's very nice out today, so the heat just like gets locked in. So we're going with a bodysuit today. Belt is also Forever 21, and then my jeans are Topshop. On the counter. He just wants to be in the video at all times. Anyway, you guys just saw the cleaning montage, so I got done the vacuuming and I got done the laundry, and I've pretty much done everything on my morning to-do list, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do like kind of more casual videos like this, give it a thumbs up so I know to do more in the future because I really enjoy filming them, and I will see you lovely people in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.